How can I recover my lost iCloud photos?
Hello there. Today, we're going to learn about how to recover lost iCloud photos. If you've accidentally deleted a photo or just can't find it, don't worry. There's a good chance you can still recover it.
Understand iCloud Photo Library.
iCloud Photo Library is a feature by Apple that stores all your photos, maintaining them in sync across all your devices. When you delete a photo on one device, it's deleted from iCloud and all other devices as well. However, Apple provides a grace period to recover deleted photos.
Are your photos really gone?
Before panicking, check your other devices if they're still there. If your photos are still on one device, they're not lost. Just make sure that the device is connected to iCloud to sync photos again.
Recovering photos from recently deleted folder.
Apple provides a recently deleted folder where deleted photos stay for 30 days. To recover from there, 1. Open your Photos app. 2. Scroll down to the recently deleted folder. 3. Click on it and you'll find all your deleted photos from the last 30 days. 4. Select the photos you want to recover, then click on Recover.
Restoring from an iCloud backup.
If it's been more than 30 days, you might be able to recover your photos by restoring your device from an iCloud backup. Remember that this should be your last resort, as it will replace all the data on your device with the data from the backup. That's all for today's tutorial on how to recover lost iCloud photos. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Remember, regularly back up your photos and don't worry if you've lost a photo, there's always a good chance you can recover it. Stay safe and happy photo taking!